if you see that optimization of the optimum utilization of the resources. So three things always you remember, always I used to focus on those. One is the 3M. 3M stands for manpower, money and material, right? In any organization, these are the very much important resources which we need always to be considered. Then if one of the more importance that is on the significance of organizing in an organization is the coordination among the team members, coordination among the departments, coordination between top management, middle level management, then down level staff nurse, staff people. So all these are very much important to run the organization in a very effective manner. Then adaptation to change. Yes, if the people are motivated, if the people are not stagnant, they are given chances of their career advancement, career growth, right? In terms of promotions, in terms of increments, so definitely people will not resist to adapt to any changes. So when people used to have resistance in adapting any kind of changes, when definitely they feel that they are not even having the satisfaction, whatever the need, right? The management doesn't consider their need, then they're slowly they will be demotivated and they will be rigid for any kind of changes. And then another importance is the expansion and growth. Yes, if you see that people are having less conflicts, people's roles are clear, they have a good hierarchy, ranking hierarchy, effective administration, right? Then chances of their career development, definitely in an average or in an average, definitely there will be a growth of individual as well as overall growth to the organization. All right. Then coming to the principles. So the first principle, if you remember, is the principle of unity of objectives. Everybody in an organization have a common objective and common goal. Like tomorrow when you will be working in any organization or institute, or it may be private, it may be government, you have to keep in mind that all the people who are working should have a common determined goals. Everybody have a common goal to achieve. Everybody's target will be similar. Now the way of achieving the targets may vary individual to individual, how good a person is in work, how good a person in creative thinking. So these will vary from person to person, but one thing is sure, that everybody is having a common goal of practice. So suppose in hospital, if you look, hospitals, we have a common goal that we want to give quality patient care to our patients, right? Today if you give good patient care, definitely tomorrow all the patients will come back to your own hospital. And similarly in educational institution, if today's students are getting good teaching experience, teaching learning environment, a good placement, definitely this is the three targets which definitely will improve the standard of the institution or the college. Next is the principle of specialization. An employee task special type of knowledge and skill in any area, it is known as specialization. Yes, every professionals are having their uniform way of depicting their own professionalism. Say suppose you are a student of trauma emergency, so your specialization, we people from nursing, our specialization, some will be from engineering, some will be from management, some will be from pharmacy. So everybody's specialization is different, so we have to respect if everybody's specialization and their knowledge, their skill, we have to appreciate that. Next is the principle of coordination. Yes, it is important that without coordination, without group effort, without role clarity in the group, definitely there won't be any unity of action. So we have to focus. Being a leader, we have to focus that how better, in a better way, we try to coordinate our team members in for that particular work. Next is, if you see, principle of authority. Yes, already if you remember authority, I already discussed this. Authority and responsibility go hand in hand. So authority is the is a kind of right and power through which it guides and directs the action of others so that the organizational goals can be achieved. Yes, you might be a manager or leader tomorrow. If you are giving responsibility, right? You are asking her to do the work. He or she will be accountable for the work. But if you are not giving her the authority, right, then definitely she or he will be demotivated for the work.